He's running.
You need to bring a rifle over here to sit. You sure you didn't put it through him? About 50 yards on top of the ridge.
Didn't you thought it went through it?
Yes, hell, the way it's telling the way he flipped around.
I thought it went through it.
I think you nailed him, Matt. We just rewatched that video.
Yeah, once it gets past the end of the barrel,
You ever shot a coyote with a muzzleloader before?
I haven't shot anything with a muzzleloader before. It's funny, most of the deer I've killed have been with a muzzleloader.
Yeah, I know, man.
Deer with a muzzleloader than I have with any other weapon.
Oh yeah, dude, you blew him away.
Well, Brett shot one off here too.
Dude.
Hit right where you aimed.
I ain't taking those stinky things. Last time I did that, and like went to get the lower jaw and stuff to get money and whatnot. I was like, all the piss and stuff leaked out on my truck and smelled.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. If I didn't have that.